Welcome to today's tutorial, where you'll learn how to turn on read receipts on Messenger step by step. Whether you want to know exactly when your messages are seen or just prefer that extra layer of communication transparency, this quick guide will help you get it done in no time. Before we begin, make sure you have the latest version of the Messenger app installed on your Android device. Having an up-to-date app ensures that all the features are available and work as intended. Alright, let's dive right in. First, open the Messenger app on your Android device. When you're on the main screen, look toward the top left corner. You'll see three small horizontal lines. Tap those three lines to open the side menu. Next, at the very top right corner of that menu, tap the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. This will take you straight into your Messenger settings, where you can manage everything from notifications to privacy preferences. From there, find and tap Privacy and Safety. This section is where all your privacy controls are located, allowing you to manage who can contact you, how your activity is seen, and what others can view about you. Now, scroll down until you find Read Receipts. This option controls whether people can see when you've read their messages and likewise when you can see theirs. Finally, toggle on Show Read Receipts. Once switched on, Messenger will display small scene indicators under messages when someone reads them. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to this same spot and turn it off again easily. And there you have it. You've successfully turned on Read Receipts in Messenger. Just a few quick taps and your chats will now show when a message has been viewed. If this walkthrough helped you, make sure to stay tuned for more easy tech tips designed to simplify your digital life.